Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Panoramic views from the 20th floor in one of Houston's premier high-rise buildings, The Mark. Located in the Galleria, this spacious 2-bed/2-bath has a chic, sleek look. West easy access to 59/610 and Westpk Tl. Minutes to downtown, med center and energy corridor. Open floor plan, west ceiling to floor, glass leading to terrace from all rooms. Hardwood, slate marble flooring, stainless appliances, granite countertops, mosaic tile. Backsplash-See building amenities. Floor plan in public docks. Call to view.